Hi, I'm Miss Shelley, and welcome to my science show. In our episode on states of matter, we learned that liquids like to flow and take the shape of their container. Well, today, let's put that idea to the test.
Miss Shelley's Science Show.
Ronnie's rule for this experiment is to always ask permission before using glasses or water. For today's experiment, you're going to need 3 differently shaped cups, 3 identical cups, and the same amount of water in each. Today, I've used a half a cup of water in each glass. As we said, liquids flow and keep the shape of their container. The water right now is in these 3 glasses. All of the water has the exact same shape, and it's the exact same amount. If I take the water, though, and pour it into a differently shaped glass, let's see what happens. So now, instead of being the identical shape, we have 3 different shapes, different size circles, and we have a square. Looking at the water now, would you say that it's all the same amount of water? If I was looking, I would say that the square glass has the most water in it. But we know that's not true because we started with the same amount. Let's pour them back and make sure they're still the same. In addition to taking the shape of its container, liquids also keep the same size or volume. We have half a cup of water. It stayed a half a cup when we poured it in the different glasses and when we poured it back. The only difference is that the shape of the glass made it look taller or shorter depending on which one it was in. So why don't you take some differently shaped glasses and see if the shape affects how tall the water looks? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on another episode of Miss Shelley's Science Show.
Miss Shelley.